Okay, I'm back again. What we got here now? Sure, we're having a big party with Nokia 5510. Here's a new one with the temperature and humidity. Obviously, it's this one. What do you call it? DHT11. DHT11, which is, yeah, it's a temperature and humidity sensor. Okay. Some founder, which is very good quality. Only problem is I like to have it stuck on the board, not outside the board. And this is what we got. Okay, so there we are. Temperature 21 centigrade and humidity 45–50%. It's all managed by a microprocessor called VMAS D1 Mini Pro, and the Nokia display. Okay, here's the code. Here's the code. Same pin numbers as the previous one. Remember your library here, your Adafruit. This is for this one here. The PCD is for the for the display, Nokia display. The Adafruit GFX and the DH, which is for the DHT11 the sensor. So you initialize the sensors as usual, then you have initialization of your pin number. It's SPI, it's D1, D2, D5, D6, and D7. D1 and D, on the VMOS, there is number 5 and 7. 7 is the clock and 5 is the MOSI. Usually people mistake these two, this 5 and 7, D5 and D7, but it won't work. This display only work with the D1 and D2. I've experimented around. It took me a couple of days to get it right. Okay, so there you are, the same process as previous one. I set the contrast to 50, but it depends where you are, how you can change it. There is rotation too, because when it starts, it's upside down. The reason being is because it's been plugged in upside down, possibly, I'm not so sure. I bought it like that. Okay, they're reading the temperature now, and float, obviously, because it's got decimal, and so on. Okay, we can even add, we could add a pot if you want to adjust the screen, the display, but I think it's fine like this. It doesn't need. The other things is, yeah, everything is here. I will do the barometer with altitude and pressure later on the same screen to see how it works. Thank you very much for everybody, and please give me a thumbs up if you like it. Thank you. Have a good Monday.